Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into a sneaky little habit that is quietly draining the wealth of millions, the monthly payment trap. It seems so convenient, right? A new car for just a few hundred a month, the latest phone for a small daily cost, or that fancy subscription service that barely makes a dent. But have you ever stopped to add it all up? This is what I call death by 1,000 cuts for your finances. Each payment on its own feels manageable, but together, they create a massive financial drag. Think about it. That $500 car payment? That's $6,000 a year. Over 5 years, that's $30,000, not even including interest, which can add thousands more. Now, what if you had invested that money instead? Let's run a quick scenario. If you invested that same $500 a month into a simple index fund with an average annual return of, say, 8%, after just 5 years, you'd have over $36,000. After 10 years, it would be almost $90,000. And after 30 years, you're looking at over $700,000, all from the money that was going toward a depreciating asset. The core of the problem is that we are trading our future wealth for immediate gratification. We get the shiny new thing now, but we sacrifice the freedom and security that comes with having a substantial nest egg later on. These monthly payments keep us on a financial treadmill, always working to pay off yesterday's wants instead of building tomorrow's wealth. We become servants to our stuff. So how do we break free? It starts with a mindset shift. Instead of asking, "Can I afford the monthly payment?" ask yourself, "What is the total cost of this item, including interest, and what else could I do with that money?" Start tracking all your monthly subscriptions and payments. You might be shocked at how much is flowing out. Then, start challenging every single one. Do you really need it? Can you find a cheaper alternative? Or better yet, can you live without it and redirect that cash flow into your investments or savings? Try a no new monthly payments challenge for a few months. Focus on paying down existing debt and aggressively saving. The goal is to own your assets outright, not rent them from the bank. Breaking the cycle of monthly payments is one of the most powerful moves you can make for your financial future. It's about choosing long-term freedom over short-term convenience. It won't be easy, but the peace of mind and financial security you'll build are absolutely worth it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building real, lasting wealth. See you in the next video.